Hey guys, so in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you're gonna set the password in Samsung Smart TV and how you can reset the password for your Samsung Smart TV. So the standard procedure is that when you're gonna go to settings, you're gonna go to settings, general privacy, then system manager, and there you're gonna find a change pin. But let's say that you can't change the pin, right? So this is something I found on this site, the forum. Maybe it's going to help you. So put the television in standby. 2A, remote control without the microphone buttons. PS, mutates by clicking on the volume button. Press mute, then volume plus, then return, then volume minus, then return, then volume plus, and then return and turn on your TV power. 2B, remote control with the microphone button. So push the volume button up, then return, then volume down, return, then volume up, then return and power. So this is for the remote control without the microphone button. So mute, then volume plus, then return, the volume minus, then return, then volume plus, then return and turn on your TV. Or remote control with the microphone button, volume plus, return, volume minus, return, volume plus, and then return and power. So this is something you can try to do. Or I held both the back and play pause buttons on the smart remote for 3 seconds to repair the Bluetooth. Or you do also this. Turn on your Samsung TV, press the combination key, mute 824 power. This is another thing that you can try to do.